Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gardening gifts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SEEDR, GardenWorks Gardening Gifts for Women. When it comes to tools, this gardening gift for women from SEEDR GardenWorks can be a great choice. It's a comprehensive toolkit that's great for novice and veteran gardeners alike, and it includes a garden bag, a trowel, a cultivator, a transplanter, a weeder, bypass pruning shears, and gardening gloves. This way, they'll have everything they need to tackle any kind of gardening task that comes their way. These gardening tools are tough and built to last. Their black carbon steel and walnut-stained wooden handles give off a modern look while also matching other, more rustic tools you may already have. The gloves are breathable to keep you comfortable as you work, and you can store everything in the included water-resistant gardening bag when you're done using this best overall kit. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Spade to Fork Gardening Gifts for Women. It features 5 types of certified USDA, non-GMO culinary herb seeds, including thyme, parsley, cilantro, sage, and basil. It also includes 5 handcrafted wooden seed markers, 5 potting soil discs that are OMRI certified, Organic Materials Review Institute, 5 compostable peat pots that are also OMRI certified, and a handy 26-page growing guide. Most gardening lovers are proponents of sustainability and organic growing, which is exactly what this starter kit provides. Unlike most herb kits that only include organic seeds, the soil discs are completely organic as well and aren't treated with any kind of pesticides or chemicals. Not only that, but you don't even need a garden to grow these herbs. They can spring to life on a windowsill or countertop, making this seed kit perfect for homes with limited space. At number 3, we have the Garden Republic Gardening Gifts for Women. Every gardener loves to grow lush green vegetables and fruits, and this 10 culinary herb seeds kit makes a great gift for women who are blessed with a green thumb. The kit includes 10 types of carefully chosen varieties of heirloom herb seeds and 10 plant markers enclosed in a beautifully crafted wooden box. These herb seeds are a great choice to grow an indoor herb garden to spice up your recipes with homegrown and all organic flavor herbs. The seller has gone the extra mile to help first-time gardeners by offering expert growing support to ensure that your beloved gardener gets the highest germination rate. This kit gives access to a private FB grower community, instructional videos, and an ebook for 20 unique recipes. At number 2, we have the Plant Theater Gardening Gifts for Women. If you know someone who loves gardening and cocktails, this kit from Plant Theater can be the perfect gift. It contains a carefully selected range of 6 cocktail seed packets that you can grow to add some delicious flavor to your drinks, and it also comes with everything else you need to start growing. 6 biodegradable peat pots, 6 soil discs, and 6 plant markers, so you can keep track of what you're growing. This kit also includes a guide of tips and tricks for growing your own mini herb garden, in addition to a whole host of original cocktail recipes created by award-winning mixologists. So whether you're getting this kit for a beginner or someone who has already flexed her green thumb, this gardening gift for women can be a great choice for anyone who loves to host cocktail parties or simply experiment with their drinks. And finally, at number 1, we have the JUMPHIGH Gardening Gifts for Women. Herb kits aren't the only thing that make for a great gardening gift for women. In fact, there's a lot more that goes into maintaining a garden than simply picking the right seeds. This garden tool set from JUMPHIGH can help you do just that, offering 10 tools ranging from rakes and shovels to shears and a spray bottle. All the tools in this kit are packed in a molded shell case with designated tool slots, making it a breeze to store them and bring them along with you wherever you go. The case is made of durable, eco-friendly plastic, and the tools, handles are ergonomic and decorated with lovely floral patterns. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.